Hyundai are one of the biggest car makers in India, and I'm not just saying that. They have the number 2 spot in the domestic market and the number 1 spot in terms of export from the country. And the reason they're so successful is because they make some amazing cars. And today, we're taking a peek behind the curtain of their latest product, the 2020 Creta. We're going to see how it's made from start to finish. So let's take a look.
The process of making the Creta begins with the press shop. Here, sheet metal is stamped out into precise shapes that will eventually make up that iconic SUV silhouette. The machines apply 5,400 tons of pressure to craft the body panels, and the sheer speed with which they work is staggering. Hyundai also uses cutting-edge 3D layout machines to ensure that no part of the panel is off by even the slightest margin. Next, the body shop. All the body panels are married to the frame here, and you can see the beginning of the SUV start to come together now. There are 670 robots and 2,350 machines working in harmony to ensure quality and consistency. Hyundai have integrated Industry 4.0 self-learning machinery into the manufacturing process for maximum efficiency. The engine is the beating heart of the Creta, and the process of putting it together is fascinating. The Creta features a 1.5-litre petrol engine, a more potent 1.4-litre turbo petrol option, and a 1.5-litre diesel. All these engines are of course BS6 compliant. Hyundai uses an innovative and eco-friendly cold testing process to check the engine. This is so that it doesn't need to be fired up to ensure that it's working properly. They also employ something called the Express Vision system, which checks 45 engine parts a minute to make sure everything is in the right place. The last part of the process is the assembly shop, where human skill and technological infrastructure work in tandem to finish out the process of building the 2020 Creta. There's a lot of checking required too, because the Creta comes with some class-leading features like reclining second rows, vented seats, and Bluelink connected tech with more than 50 bespoke features, just to name a few. A roll and brake test is performed here as well, before all the vehicles are individually road tested and even subjected to a shower test to check for leaks. Isn't it amazing how comprehensive the manufacturing process for the new 2020 Creta is? And the process is unrelenting too, as SG Mani, Director of Manufacturing Operations at Hyundai, explains.
We are proud to say that on working on 295 days of working 24/6 operations, the most important thing is the line efficiency.
All that technology and all those hours put in by the workforce result in this, a gleaming, shining, brand new 2020 Creta. The SUV is undeniably an eye-catcher, with its sharp lines and futuristic design. The Creta is now ready to be loaded up into containers and shipped off to showrooms across the country, and from there into your own garage. We hope you enjoyed this in-depth look at the making of the Hyundai Creta. Thank you for watching.